cool, ready for go eat now. This in a hurt. It's hot. It's hot. Don't make nobody tell us that it don't hot because I say it hot. Me decide to listen, me no ball. Me no ball. So all it hot, me I hold it like a G. Me I hold it like a G. Are you in love? Yes, I am in love.
Top girl. Too nice, people, I'm on problem.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your girl Chesouye, and if you didn't know, now you know. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. Follow me on all socials at Chesouye. And yeah, so today we are gonna do a Q&A just because a lot of persons requested it. So I did a poll on Monday and I asked my Instagram followers if they think I should do a updated Q&A because the first one on my channel here is 4 months old and 100% of the persons who responded, they said yes. So I decided that I'll put up another poll and tell my Instagram followers to just send me some questions, and they sent me questions, and I was really surprised because mostly I got nothing sexual, just things that they were interested to know about me and not about that area, because as you all know, that is not what this channel is about. I'll never ever come on here to talk about stuff like that, point blank, period. Okay, I won't ever do that because that is not what my channel is about. That is not why I created my channel, and I will just never say never, but for now we're not doing that. So yeah, make sure to follow me on Instagram at Chesouye so that when I do the next poll, you guys don't miss out. So yeah, so let's get into it. Alright, so the first one is not a question, but please pronounce your name. And guys, I literally pronounce my name every single video. My name is Chesouye. Okay, Chesouye. That's my name. The second question I got is, man for give woman money or them for be independent? And this is a very good question. This is my opinion, and if you even try come for me in the comment section, I go down there. We don't know. Let's get those interactions up because this is my opinion. Okay, so me strongly believe say woman for independent just because woman for independent. And I also believe my grandmother always tell me say if you depend on a man you go starve, and I live by that. So me believe say you know for beg, but you must give. You get me? I say because when people love things, them take care of things, and when people feel strongly about things, them take care of things. You love your phone, so you take care of your phone. You put case on it and screen protector. You get me? I say some strongly believe say yeah, woman forget take care of, but them not for beg and them for be independent. Good. Woman for have them own things, but woman for have a whole lot of things. You get me? I say? Yeah. In your eyes, how is your YouTube journey progressing? Alright, so when I came on YouTube, I think 4 months ago, I did not expect to blow up because I was not famous on Instagram like some other people. Nobody don't know me, and but that's a follow one dream. You get me? I say? But I think I'm doing pretty well. I have 540 subscribers, and I'm pretty up there in the watch time as well. I'm at about 5,500 views, so 5.5k views. Yeah, I think I'm doing pretty well for somebody who is not big, cause I'm really not big. Who try to set monthly goals and who try to keep on those goals. I feel like that's the only way that I won't lose sight of stuff. I don't know. How do you manage your personal life and university? To to me, I don't feel like I feel like I'm really balanced because I don't, even if I am stressed out, I have certain ways that I go about de-stressing. In the night, I'm not gonna go to sleep without playing some music or playing some PUBG or a little Candy Crush because I have to de-stress. But yeah, sometimes I don't feel like I can manage. I break down a lot in my room by myself, cry, nose a run, yeah, red and puffy, and nobody would know if I didn't come on here right now and tell them. I'm sure my mom does not know. But yeah, I break down, cry, let it all out, and in the morning I go again because that's just me. I don't give up. So that's how I manage. I don't give up. University is hard. I will never ever tell nobody say it easy because university is very hard. But I try my best to not look at, as I said before in one of my other videos about 10 things I wish I knew before going to college. It's gonna be right here and in the description box. You can just click it and go watch. But I try not to look at the big picture. I have today, right now, today I have 2 classes and I need to complete these two classes. Or if I'm gonna look at it bigger than a day, I look at it as a semester. So I say it's just 13 weeks. All I need to do is pass every single thing in these 13 weeks and I'll be good to go. So yeah, that really helped for me. I don't know if it will help for you. Another way that I manage what else question? How do you manage your personal life and university? I try to laugh with my friends every day. When we used to go to school, we used to play games in our lunchtime. Yes, I know we're adults, but it works for us. We are ICT people and we love games. We love video games, so we used to play FIFA. We used to play Uno. We used to play Among Us, a lot of stuff in our lunchtime, and I feel like that was really helpful to me. And as a person look at it as wasting time, but to me it is not. It helps so much to de-stress. Before my exams, I study up until the day before, and on that particular day before, I play games, listen to music all day before that exam because I am not going to study that day. I make sure I prepare before that day because that day I need to de-stress. That's what worked for me. That is how I cope. That is how I stay sane because God knows I would have gone crazy already. Next, do you consider yourself high maintenance? No, I do not consider myself high maintenance, simply because I'm not the type of girl that I have a problem wearing my natural hair. I feel like I'm beautiful regardless. I don't have to wear makeup. I don't pay to do my makeup. I do it myself, and if me feel like it don't look good, I rip it off and go bare face. Nails is not a necessity for me. I don't have to be nails, and I do consider health. I value health, so you will not see me do my hair every single week and my nails every single 3 weeks or 2 weeks or whatever. I do try to take care of myself, yes, but I am not going to do acrylics every single week or whatever. I like to be natural. I do enjoy being natural. I do believe in saving my money. Another person asks, do you believe in love at first sight? I'm a type of old-fashioned person where I believe in those stuff. I believe that love exists and I believe in love at first sight. I believe that I believe in soulmates. I believe in stuff like that. So yes, I do believe in love at first sight. Yeah. How would you describe yourself in a single sentence? I think I'm an introvert, but I still try to be social. I enjoy helping people. I'm an avid volunteer, and I don't know. I really don't know. It depends on who. It depends on how I am asked. So now in YouTube I'll just say that I'm an introvert, but I am very sociable. I like people. I like having fun. And I'm a very focused person. Are you in love? I'm in love with myself. Yes, I am in love. Everybody is in love. Yeah, I'm in love with myself. I'm in love with the person that I am becoming. And yeah. Did your industrial piercing hurt? Sis, in a hurt, it's hot. It hot. Don't make nobody tell us that it don't hot because I say it hot. Hot. When me did go, me tell my piercer to give me numbing, and she numb the ears, you know. And me sit down there and I pick out my ring. It wasn't this ring, so I picked out the ring and everything, and yeah, everything cool. And my dad there relax, and she said, yeah man, it's a numb. And she measured it up and everything, and she said, alright, cool, ready for go eat. So the first one, it was a pinch. It did hurt, but me never. Listen, I was toughing it out. No matter how hot me and my friend them did go there, and them did want my ball. Cause my pain tolerance is low. Me decided to listen, my no ball. Me no ball. So all it hot, me I hold it like a G. And me I hold it like a G. So she bore the first hole, which was I think the top one. Yeah, she bore the top one first. And I'm gonna feel one little, you know, it's my pinch and ring it, that I feel. The angle that good, and she encouraged me and she talked to me. Then she bore the second one. It did hot enough, but I just did one. Hold it. And she has struggled for putting in the hole, and she has struggled for putting in the ring, and she has some ears too thick. So it never can't hold a ring here, so I have to choose one other ring. No, she never let me choose. She said she would have given me the bars of the ring, since I did love them so much. I never knew she bore it again. And my friend tell me 2 days later, say, yeah, come here, say, when I clean it, I say 3 holes. So I say, why I say 3 holes? Anyway, she'd have to bore it again to put in this ring. Because as she bore it, immediately after she start do it, me start so she'd have to change the ring and change the piercing holes. So yeah, I think we've reached the end of my updated Q&A. Don't have any more questions. I think I answered all of them that were not very personal and very sexual and very disgusting. Yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Follow me on all socials at Chesouye, so you never ever miss any polls, so you can participate in the other Q&A coming up. Until next time, I'm your girl C. Bye.